The VEVOR Pro 200A Welder offers a versatile 5-in-1 functionality, allowing users to perform MIG Pulse, gas MIG, flux core MIG, stick, and Lift TIG welding efficiently. This welding machine is compatible with multiple wire types, including flux core, gas solid, and aluminum wires, making it adaptable for various welding tasks. With advanced Synergic control technology, the welder automatically adjusts current and wire feed speed, ensuring precise and efficient welding operations. Delivering a robust 200 ampere output, it can handle welding thicknesses of up to 15 millimeters, accommodating a wide range of materials like mild steel and aluminum. The large, high-definition LCD screen provides a user-friendly interface, enhancing the ease of operation for both beginners and experienced welders. Equipped with overheat and current overload protection, the VEVOR Pro 200A Welder ensures safe and reliable performance throughout its usage.